While many of the content blocks already described include a feature to download their content, you may want to create a downloads list on a page. By doing this, you can offer your website visitors an easy way to find especially useful files like documents, applications, or programs. In this video, we will learn about creating a section on a website page where website visitors can easily download items. Let's start. Select the content block to which you want to add the downloadable files to by clicking on the Add Content link. A sidebar opens displaying the types of block content. Click on the option Downloadable File. A new sidebar opens with features to select files for the list. Click on the Add Media button. The Add or Select Media working box opens in the default document mode. Select Media Working Box Document mode. You must use the upper section of the working box to select files from your computer. If you already have uploaded relevant document files to your website, they will appear in the lower section. Click on PDF at the upper left to change to PDF mode. Again, you may use the upper section of the working box to select PDF files from your computer. If you have already uploaded PDF files to your website, they will appear in the lower section of the working box. Select files for the downloads list by clicking on the square in the upper left corner of the thumbnails. Click on the Insert Selected button at the bottom left of the working box. Click on the Save button at the bottom of the sidebar. We recommend including a text content block on the page with a brief instruction for the downloads list. Click on the Save button on the layout screen. Your work appears on a preview page. And that is how you create a download section.